Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to design a WhatsApp chatbot to manage FAQs for travel agency. Suppose your travel agency receives a lot of repetitive questions on a daily basis. Answering these questions can be very exhausting and time consuming. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automatically respond commonly asked questions like visa requirements and cancellation policies on our behalf. So if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, let me take you to my screen. This is the chat flow that I have created to respond to repetitive questions for our travel agency. Before we get into how I created this chatbot, let's first see how it works with a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. So to trigger the chatbot, the user will first send a message. For example, the user says, "Hello, I have questions regarding the travel." And as soon as we send this message, our chatbot will immediately respond with, "Hi there, welcome to our travel agency. I'm your travel assistant here to help you 24/7. How can I assist you today?" So for example, I need assistance with visa requirements. As soon as we click on visa requirements, the chatbot will respond us with visa information. For most destinations, a valid passport and visa are required. Reply with country name for more specific info. So here I respond them with, for example, Thailand. And the chatbot will respond us with visa for Thailand. Indian passport holders can enter Thailand with a visa on arrival for up to 15 days. For more details, contact support executive, requirements, valid passport, return tickets, hotel booking and a proof of funds. Do you need help with anything else? And I will tap on no. So it will send me, "Glad we could help you resolve your queries. Now you can move ahead with your booking. For further assistance, you can contact support." So here I'm going to tap on contact support. And here it will send me the details of the support executive or the travel agent. So this is how our travel agency chatbot works. This chatbot was created using Pabbly Chatflow. So first we will open a new tab. In a new tab, enter pabbly.com/chatflow. It will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. Since I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will see all apps provided by Pabbly. We need to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. Now coming back to the flows feature. This is where we can actually create a chatbot. So click on flows and then you have to click on this add flow button to create a new flow. A new flow is created. On the screen, you will see the flow start box. Under this, we have an option to enter keywords. Here you can enter some general keywords like hi, hello or hey to activate the chatbot. Next we have this regex option. It is used to enter some more specific keywords. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here I'm adding some specific keywords in my regex. To use regex, you need to enter a specific format, which is /b, open bracket, then you can enter any specific keyword you want the chatbot to be triggered with, and then you close the bracket and close the regex with /p. Here I am enabling toggle for my case-sensitive regex. When a new chat flow is created, it is initially named as untitled. So we are going to name it to something more relevant. Here I am naming it as travel agency chatbot. Once the basic requirements are done, we will curate our first message, and for that we will access this text button feature from here. Click on it and a message box will appear in front of you. Here I am entering a message. Hi there, welcome to our travel agency. I am your travel assistant here to help you 24/7. How can I assist you today? It will look something like this to the user. Here I am adding some quick reply options for the user. For example, visa requirements. Then I will add another one, cancellation policy, and then I will add another one, others. Attach the flow start string to the message box. It will look something like this to the user. These are the quick reply options that the user can access and send us. Now we will generate responses for all of these quick reply buttons. Let's begin with others. Attach the string and access text button, and here I'm entering a message that says connecting you to a travel expert. You can reach our team directly at this number or type your query and an agent will get back to you shortly. Our support hours are 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Similarly, we will create a response for all of these buttons. For visa requirements, we need to access actions, under which there is an ask question button. Click on it and a question box will appear in front of you. Here I am typing visa information. For most destinations, a valid passport and visa are required. Reply with the country name for more specific info. Now we want the user to respond us with the country name so that we can provide them the specific information. So here we need to access contact custom fields. To access them, first we need to generate contact custom fields. And for that, first save your flow. Once the flow is updated successfully, you need to go to the setting option and then access the third button. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field, under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Here I will select add custom field and I will select format as text. Now attach the visa requirement quick reply with this question box. Now once the user responds us with the country name, we will send them visa requirements. Access the text button again. Here I will enter visa for $add. Here you can see that I have added a $sign next to add. It will make sure that this will be replaced by the country name. Indian passport holders can enter add with a visa on arrival up to 15 days. And these are the requirements, and lastly we will ask them a question, do you need help with anything else? And we will ask them yes or no. If the user taps on yes, we will send them the contact details of the support executive. So attach the string of yes to the message box where the executive details are mentioned. Next, if the user says no, we will create another message box. Glad we could help you resolve your queries. Now you can move ahead with your bookings. For further assistance, you can contact support. Here we will provide option to contact support, and we will again attach this quick reply with the message box where we have mentioned the details of our support executive. Next, we will generate a response for cancellation policy. Again, we will access text button, and here we will enter cancellation policy. Free cancellation within 24 hours of booking. 15% charges will be applied after that. Cancellation a week before the trip won't be refunded at all. Do you need help with anything else? Again, we will ask them yes or no. And again, we will attach these quick replies with our support executive contact details and with a thank you message. And here we have completed our chatbot creation, which will automatically respond to all of the visa requirement queries or cancellation policy queries on our behalf. Save the chat flow, and once the chat flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.